Welcome to CBTech Incorporations. Today I am here with you. I am Banari and I'll be guiding you through this episode of MS Word 2013, and it is my hope that at the end of this course you have in-depth knowledge on how to explore the office environment, that is the MS Office Professional environment, that is Office 2013. So in as much as we are here, we want to go straight away to look at how we can launch that. So in launching MS Office, we already know that we have the steps. So we can go to the start button, then we type Word, then if we open, we get an opportunity, or the computer launches the application for us. That is one way. Or we can decide to go to start, then we scroll down to Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office is here. We'll click on the drop down arrow there. You'll move through all the items there, then we'll locate our Word 2013 application, and if we click on it, it also launches our program for us. If you are using earlier versions of MS Word like MS Word 2007, it follows the same process or the same steps. But if you are using older versions of Microsoft Windows like Windows XP, Windows 7, then if you go to the start button, you have to select all programs, and then at the end of the day you'll be able to pick whatever all programs. Then you go to MS Office, then you choose your MS Word from that angle. Now when you launch the application, it gives you this particular area, or it brings you to this area, and that is where we call the application start page. In this particular interface we are seeing, that is the application start page, as MS Word application start page. Now here it gives you the chance so that you'll be able to sort of create a document from the scratch by using the blank document, or you have the opportunity to start up a document from a template, that is using a template. You also can create your document. So if you want to use a template, we have so many templates here. We have so many templates that are displayed over here. Some reports, some are letters, some resume, and what sort of for. And then so a template can be used if we wish to start up our document from an existing or pre-formatted design. That is where we use templates. Then if we also want to probably search the internet, we have this option here. If you have internet connection, it goes further to allow you to sort of let's say it gives you the opportunity, then you are able to at least search from this particular column, then you are good to at least searching from the internet the available templates that you want to use. Now again, we have this other area, that is the recent documents you have worked on. So if we are seeing documents here, it means that this particular computer we have used, or we've had opportunity to work on different Word applications or different Word documents, and that is what is appearing at this other side. So we can open them, and also we can use this other side to go to a specific device, probably a pen drive, a hard disk, that is an external hard disk, and we will be able to at least search within our computer and then locate wherever a particular document might be, then we will have the opportunity to now upload it or open to MS Word, then we will get the opportunity to work on it. That is it for the open and open other documents, and that is it. Now moving further, we want to now look at the MS Office Professional 2013, the application environment, the MS Office Word 2013 environment. Now in looking at the environment, we can identify various areas or the elements. There are a lot of elements under this window, or the Word application window. So when you launch Word, the default name that is given to the document, that your blank document, is document 1, and that column we call it the title bar. So this area, that's your title bar, which displays the type of document, the name of the document you are working on. If you have not given your document a name, Word automatically gives it a name, that is document 1 by default. And now we have, from the title bar, you can talk of the window control, where we have the minimize, the restore, and that of the close. The minimize, when you click it, minimizes your document by putting it on the taskbar, and then you can have the opportunity to bring it back. And the restore will make sure that it will resize your window by not letting the window fill the whole screen. So we have the opportunity to now either make it smaller or move it. Maybe you want to open another program, we have the opportunity to do that. When you click on restore, it changes to maximize, where we have the opportunity once again to open so that it will fill up the whole screen. That is if you want to have a full screen reading. Now the close button will simply close the whole application. Close the application. So that is for the Windows control. Now from there we'll move further to the other columns. Now these are tabs. So we have tabs. So, and the tabs, we have home tab, insert tab, design, page layout, references, mailings, review, and view tabs. Now at each instance, when you select a tab, it gives you some groups of tools. Now these whole groups that we see here is what we call the ribbon. So we have the home tab with its ribbon, or the ribbon tab for the home, the ribbon tab for insert, the ribbon tab for design, and that of page layout. Each of them comes with their tools, the tools that you can use to work on a particular document that you have started creating. Now from there we have the file tab, where we can now open, and it is just the same as maybe we have a document sitting somewhere we want to bring to Word to work on. We can then use the file tab to do that. So from here we can use the new, that is when we want to create another new document. It will give us what we started from the MS Word application start page. Then the open will also help us do let's say open an existing document. The save and save as help us to save our document if we have finished working. Then the print allows us to choose the type of printer, set our page, the paper size and what have you, choose the type of orientation we want to use, and at the end of the day print whatever document that we have. The share, if we want to share our document through an email, we can do that. And export here would also help us if we want to probably convert or probably send the document we have created into different formats. We can also do that, maybe to a PDF or to other existing Word or other text format. Now from there we have close. This close wouldn't close the whole application, but rather we'll go further to close the document window that we were having. So if we click on it, it doesn't close the entire window or the application that we are using, but only closes the document that we needed to, the document area where we needed to create our or work on our work. So so we know that the difference between the close button, this particular close button, and the one that is under the file menu here, the one that I clicked on, was is the fact that this one particularly wouldn't close the entire window, but this close button here will close the application, the Word application. So that is the difference. From there we have the ruler. We have a vertical ruler here and also a horizontal ruler. We have our mouse pointer, and at any given time if we see this I beam, it means that that particular area is capable of accepting test document. So that is the thing. We have our insertion point, where alerting us that our document that we want to probably enter, the work can either start from where the item or this particular object is blinking. That is telling us the position at which our work will be starting if we probably want to insert or start working on our work or start working on our document. So basically that is how the these other features can give us. Now we'll go further to look at another feature here, very important one of course, which is these tools. This other area, we have tools there. They are shortcut tools, and this is save, this is undo, and this one is redo, and this one is a table, that is to draw a table. Now this whole bar here is all called the quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar. It allows you so that you'll be able to or it appears at the left side, or it displays particularly some specific commands on the Word application program, and allows you to either save, undo, and redo. And these we call them common commands that you can they are common commands that you usually use as time goes on, because as you work on the document, you either save, you undo, you redo, so these shortcuts are placed here, and you have the chance of probably even taking them off where they are. But the main point I want you to understand is that it goes further to allow you, there are shortcuts commands that help you to at least work on the document that you are creating. Now from there we go further down. We come to the bottom, the bottom part of this particular Word application. We can also see that there is a long bar here, the blue one of course, and that is what we call the status bar. And at the bottom of our display we can see that there are some items that are put also on it. So with the status bar, it gives us the opportunity to know the number of pages that we have, that our document probably might have. So this particular document or this page is having, this Word application is currently having only one page, so we have page 1 of 1, and there are no words currently. We've not typed any word, so if we start to type, it will count the words that are on the application, that is the document window or the document area. Then we have proofing, and this one allows your work to be proved by the Word application, where if you have errors, it will clearly underline them or create your awareness and give you the chance to or give you suggestions to correct them. And from there we have this other side, that is the zoom control, the zoom. And even before the zoom, let me talk about this particular side. We call this area the document view. The document view. Now the document view, if you launch Word, it gives you the print preview or the print layout view. You have the chance of switching it to either read mode. Then we have the web layout mode. So this one will display the entire work in the form of a website or a web page, This one will display it in the form of a reading mode, and also this one will display it in the form of print layout. So basically that is how we can at least identify, or these are the various elements we can see under the Word application window. Now let's move further. At each given tools under each of the tabs, there are some other buttons. So we have this particular button here, and then at the font group you see another one, at the paragraph group you see another one here, and also at the styles group you see another one here. We call it the dialog box launcher. Another thing is that if we select some other document, for example, if we insert a picture on this particular page, what the picture does is that it will also come with some other tools, that is, we call them tool tabs. So probably I select a page, maybe let me say I select maybe I select a picture and I insert a picture. This particular picture comes with 8 tools, so we call it picture tools. So this is what we call the tools tab. So if you pick a particular tool and probably a picture, if it's a shape comes with shape tools, and a picture comes with picture tools, a table will come with a table tools, and so on and so forth. So that is basically one thing that you also have to note. But as time goes on, we'll go into we'll have more knowledge and work on very practical items so that you get understanding better. So thank you for coming around. We look forward to seeing you in the next video, where we will be using the tools to actually work on our documents. Thank you for joining.